sense. Yeah. I was born alone and I'm damn for sure gonna die alone. In this world, it's just me and my microphone. I feel cursed like the Kennedys, and sometimes I feel like I'm my own worst enemy. Let me explain, cause when I'm deep in the zone, there's nobody that could touch me, just leave me alone. It's like I got the key to the throne, but I lost it. Niggas think it's fun and games trying to get on, but I'm exhausted. And I ain't signed yet, guess it ain't my time yet. Start to get higher, mess up my whole mindset. I'm on the grind, yes, doing it big, watch me. And truthfully, I'm the only person that could stop me. I'd be Wayne Gretzky if rap was hockey, but I'm more like Barry Bonds, arrogant and cocky. Radio don't wanna hear it, labels don't wanna see it. I guess they want a follower, and I was born a leader. Yes. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
Sometimes I feel like I just can't do it. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
But somehow, someway, I just gotta get through. They say be careful what you wish for. Damn, I gotta get on. Like, why I gotta take all of this shit for? And it ain't nobody's fault but my own. Already 24 years old, dog, I'm all grown. Jails, institutions, and then there's death. The only thing I haven't seen, man, that's all that's left. All that's ever gonna happen if I keep acting up. I talk a lot of shit, but I'm a G, I back it up. I keep it real as fuck, and I do it with a passion. You judge a man, not by his words, but by his actions. You might see me laughing, you might see me crying. You might see me living, you might see me dying, but you won't hear me lying. Got the heart of a lion. I hear them haters talking, small thing to a giant. They don't know the person that I am, they never will. If they don't sign me, that's their loss, I'll get another deal. Yes. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
Sometimes I feel like I just can't do it. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
But somehow, someway, I just gotta get through it. Def Jam wanted to sign up, Shady wanted my story. My reputation entered the room right before me. True story, them drugs had me empty. When I'm focused though, no man could stand against me. But the devil had me fooled, thinking that I need something to perform. When the truth is, I don't need nothing to get on. Ecstasy diet was the quiet before the storm. Pocket full of drugs required to do a song. I did it all night long and slept the day away. Woke up when it was dark out and couldn't stay awake. I had to change, couldn't take it any longer. It didn't kill me, so I guess it made me stronger. Yes. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
Sometimes I feel like I just can't do it. I'm my own worst enemy.
Won't speak to me.
But somehow, someway, I just gotta get through it.